Hello everyone. In today's video, I'll show you how to cancel your Netflix subscription in just a few steps, preventing further charges if you no longer wish to continue using Netflix. Open the Netflix app. Log into your account and select your profile. Then, tap on your profile picture in the bottom right corner of the screen where it says My Netflix. Next, tap on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner. From the menu that appears at the bottom, tap on Account. Now, scroll down and find the Cancel Membership button. Tap on it. At this point, Netflix will present you with three options. Before canceling your subscription, consider the second option, which allows you to pause your membership for a month. This way, your profiles remain saved, making it easier to resume your subscription later. The third option is to switch to a different subscription plan. If you're on the premium plan, you could downgrade to standard or basic. If you're sure you want to cancel your Netflix subscription, tap on the plus icon next to the first option. Whichever option you choose, it will take effect after your current billing period ends. Until then, you can continue watching Netflix. Once you're certain, tap on Finish Cancellation. That's it. Your subscription will not be renewed, and no further charges will be made to your card. If this video helped you, subscribe to our channel and become part of our digital community.